Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Senate security, especially in Ododio constituency, Honomono, Yebesai Abahassim base because MPP chairman for the constituency, on also a press conference, I think, and now so I raised some issues, been concerns, been and also Esai Abahobio. Alfred, Bramamami, you share over 30,000 people are easy just Binti Umuntibin Twaba, Yenshare NDC MPP clash, Ododio, lower him, other places.
Me start with Bibi Alaji wie.
Okay.
Me person me bisa Alaji question back. Odo ayawa so West Wagon. Okay, very well say in the video no can ukra wanyame nim. Up till now there is no dead body I recover, and his Sam George was standing there and saying that you kill a man in his own compound. You kill a man in his own compound. You kill a man in his own compound. Okay, more than 3 times. Sam George. And the security man told him that don't say things you don't know because what you are doing, you can cause mayhem in the country. No. That is what the national security guide. I'm telling you something that you don't know. You accept one, but you don't accept other. Up to now, you who dead body of a man on your own compound. So where is the man that they killed in his own compound?
The commission actually even raised an issue against that statement.
It is wrong, totally wrong.
The commission condemned it.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is where the man, stopping several times, maybe the national security operative told him several times that what you are doing can cause mayhem because this is going on national radio. People are listening to you, and when you say that you've killed a man in his own compound, which is not true, and you can't identify any dead body, it's causing problems. It's a whole catch and several times. I want you not showing us no yeah, because then you realize that you have to do the right thing. Yes.
Oh,
yes. Okay. And that is where you have to say the truth. That is why I expect Alaji. Mention and people say no watch. I say, Mami, I am a time. Who you know? Make sure in our house. Make sure in our. Oh, maybe some question. Make answer.
Okay, so national security means or commission.
Who dear Mami come and say when you 30 minutes, Mami, so we have 30 minutes. Alaji. Mami, you 30 minutes.
You now why am I?
Sometimes the Kenya man can out of context. Young Bomodin Yan can their shas, yeah, they didn't send the buy because I asked him several times. Nila, my friend saying, Sam George, Honorable Sam George, original okay, never seen as woman, and now Bibi Nesi, and I stop in. Into ye can spring uprising, a casakeko, in this spring uprising buy. And man can say, this year, dear, we'll be making sure, say, Ghana be ungovernable, no more to media winning more elections. Yes, you'll be making sure, say, we'll stop everything you want to do to bring Ghana as an ungovernable state. Coming to Ododio, what can I say? Internet there on Chantro, in the English internet, no. Maybe the first thing I mean here. Neil Ante Vanderboy was assaulted by boys who defected from NDC to MPP, candidate for Ododio, straight away. Straight away. It is a assaulting Neil Ante Vanderboy by on one croffer or training omo. Say omo assaulting. The refi say, Enche bia eslo wusu wukai. Time I registration no oba fefe obi yere ogina ne nanso or catch and crofo say omombo modern ko register na Nilante smart the boys no mo ko hwe nechi omo hwe others na e wo ho no mo duade omo chi so mo fi constituency onko because omo ni constituency ho. The same thing here the year when na wo usu. That is the same thing. The way you train people no is the same way the people will come back to you. Say our boys name who say they are wo chi omo no nye nti omo fi NDC aba MPP. But yen so when ade awode 8 years asay no there. Yen to me sorry na yen kan che boys ne say jide amoye. Omo ya na ya correct omo say yen party no yen nyama saa ye de bra na ye de ye adwuma. Nti say wo fi say Nilante wa ye bibia ama ana oye bibia enye na ene wo kwa attack no a say wo ye ne ye. Either wo ne be court ana wo be ye nyama wo de nyama betutu ye a ye be de ye. It's unfortunate say Ododio do asem ne see. And I'm happy say Minya Alaji, can say on Saturday, massive crowd ekoye in support of Ododio youth organizer Nyankopon Mwafenoko ne baby we are showing kwan.
Okay, until that was
yes.
Na the 1 week.
Na ye memory in support of
him.
Ejuma oye any ade wo Ododio omomode mobilize youth na say youth ni pi some from Ododio when omenya friends saying service industries ni kwa and Alaji can say service industry no and yet because we who say nkrofo omo bua Ghana man e wo ho no Into youth no I'm taking note of what Alaji is saying. Na yen share on 7th December na yen fa yen ho adwen. Into yes no we mobilized everybody feel say our sympathy towards the good works of youth organizer no.
Okay.
And it was massive. It was well attended. Fa bebia yan ye dede yan ye obia yan kashe yan obia. We passed in front of our party office, honey, omo squad, honey idea. You almost you can't tell me some be joining any idea. You can even see say in some of the one or two NDC form be joining and squad no omoni sunny idea. We accepted them in good faith. Then comes Sunday. NDC decided so almost so person organize keep fit and a health work under the able leadership of Nilante Vanderpoy. Almost started health work, almost do MPP hono. Then they started attacking, insulting them near there. When you are insulting someone and attacking them, you think the person will stand there. When you look at the video, there was how can someone stay in an office and shoot a gun? What are you talking about? Miss Rao, draw to her, no video, no ha. What are you talking about? When who's in our office, now we should take gun and you're building a before because the hose will pass through the building. I ever created a.
I'll show you the video.
Yeah, oh, can say my allergy. My catch was a wako maker, but I mean, can you maybe a fatal? Me person more double allergy and double maker a crown. Into me, I mean, yeah, maybe sir. Into maker they started attacking, and then they went to the baby air refreshing and Crawford no almost far fridge, Coca-Cola fridge AC hall. Threw it from that place downstairs. Threw it onto the street. We share video now. Ube who say if he's giving you the right video. Ube who say almost system AC almost track nature. Almost beer so now bottles near the air stones near the air and they started throwing it. It's almost shared that almost buy. What was a idea? Almost a shedder. The MPP office one there too. One
because me who say I comfort jina for moto to bo ekoso.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ebi to koso na e soro for so to be abana.
Atu because stone na ekoso no e ho na yeto back. Ina omo rashe koso ho. Omo rashe koso ho no na. Oh, Alhaji. Mama wie ma dey say wo kan 30 minutes. Mama so me kan 30 minutes na me ho to me na watch that was wo person wo disrupt me main program. Aden. Sure bibia to ho edu with time na waka. Me da say. Ma bi mpecho mema on how bio. Mema on church. We dey catch so on fan to ho. Edu time edu no 10 na no yin chio. Alhaji fatu ho edu 10 na we yama no. Why?
Alhaji me ba.
Thank you. Inti say this same tax now we train omo attack you. Awon crofo say omo hu say omo lusi odododi odo. Inti the leadership owo ho no. Ono ade onimani violence. Ade onimani say attacking crofo. Inti the same attitude or chair Sunday wo ho. And it's very disheartening. Say Obia why minister of state, what's in a parliament, obe show this attitude. It's very bad.
Nana MP no hobby.
Na MP no lead health work no. Alhaji na MP no lead health work. MP no lead health work no. So it's the leadership no. Oh Alhaji, it's not the Ethiopian.
Enti ebetimi abase bia enkrofo enam kwan so omo e hye omu jamma e ko then on to the
Thank you.
I'll just show you a video of it. Video
It's Alhaji mama me say it's on ebo obi ana. It's on ebo obi. Say you shooting po it's on ebo obi.
Oh mami we are maybe.
Thank you. It's omo shooting Ethiopia. Ethiopia amo obi awo ho. Video watch no there's no shooting incident inside. And your bottles are ye efi mo party van mo speakers no mo. Aye to kosro any stones near there. Actually say you prepared before coming to that place because that place hasn't got that much stones aye to ho. Nti actually say aye idea normal plan is say ye kwa ye be just to show say this country is ungovernable. And that is what they keep on saying. Ye nya omo peni a edi omo anima or can say my friend is saying NDC was born out of vigilante and now NDC was born out of your friend say ekun ni etuo boni ade. If it comes to making sure they fight her, NDC knows how to do it. And that is what John Mahama said. This is not someone who can lead a country because he never preaches peace. When preaching peace, what disturb you, Mr. Now you only brought into the crowd and you na wo can abort you into the crowd and say obi attack you na ebia obi shoot into the sky and just abort crowd no. Into yen kind of when every time we dey idea bar, you don't bring the beginning, you just bring the middle that suits you. And then they have no. And I've told you, I showed you one of our so west one. Into Mr. Ghana man, yen yina yen who say idea air kosono, idea omo yeno, and say na enfata say NDC. Bet to make lead in anything because everywhere they've led, no, they've shown you. Nima DSC on that same faithful was it Saturday or Sunday? Nima MPP walking one way, no, not NDC walking the other way. Very peaceful match, very peaceful. Now, just said the two leaders in that constituency, no, they've shown leadership, they've shown maturity, they've shown say, yeah, they're homo more, they can hold on to it, and that is why you realize that on Saturday, Nilante. Many Anilante Van Der Poel, all leading MPP morning, you know, he showed leadership to the people. Say, we are not here to fight anyone. We are here to lead. We are here to show them the way. Let us go with them in our numbers and let us lead the way peacefully. On Sunday, no, Nilante Van Der Poel, so Nilante Van Der Poel, Nilante Van Der Poel, so all leading and grow for no chiomo say almost 2 stones, 3 bottles near the chiomo. So it shows you the type of leadership we have. One violent and one peaceful. Mekanisa, say yefa adwin ewo ye nuanoma omotie no. They've continuously, even their national chairman has preached it and has said it over and over again. Say I feel there, make sure say in various places no, they cause mayhem. Eche say eye aban and Nana Agbodwo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no. Omontumi nhwe oman no so. And we throw it back to the leadership of the security forces. The police, the soldiers, and everything. Say, it is a test of their faith. It is the test of their work. So, who say any political party is showing violence anywhere now, they should be ready and willing to move out and make sure that they grab the perpetrators. Because Nisa Omotina, no can say, oh, me name Nilante, me yeshwe wo ho. These people are the people who are causing this violence. So, I didn't know say uja omo no mo ye de omo ye. Sunday, she ade omo ye. Freja, and I'll show you the video. Yeah, sure, a year no unsure, but I'll show it to you. Time almost 2 Freja from through. But she will be 3 soa, and can the Pacuni will free, and they'll come and say MPP for a year. But you realize where it's coming from.
With this Ododo incident, it seems that NDC is apportioning blame, NPP is also apportioning blame, and the that 2 groups, who near all kind of prayer.
Alagin no creno. On him say. It's the leadership. And Namiche say every leader comes with what the baggage they are carrying. And the baggage on Saturday was a leadership of peaceful and tolerant citizens. On your munama, on your peaceful match. The baggage on Sunday was the same Ododiodo was a leader. Why Yen Adrian say only the violence in Kwan or the Juma. And that was what he was doing at Ododiodo. Until yes, some of these things are and I share on Muamudi Kefit no and health work name him. Na yenhunim pakra all causes our problems because there are other places. Then I make sure say Nima MPP candidate and NDC candidate now went on a peaceful march on the same day. The same day. BBNC. And so share what happened. Himalora Decha, the same problem. The NDC candidate led a march HSA almost attack every time. Why do they always want to attack? Are they backing dogs? Are they dogs? But it's because their leader has shown us. Omak Che and say, at the end of the day, you know, your friends say, they were born out of violence. They were born out of a coup d'etat. They were born. They say, "Muso Mombe ye kania ye hein." Omo shishin crofoni adie. Whilst ye buy no she most ye cleaning banking sector. Yanshi ubia. We made the law take its course near there. It tells you the type of leadership, the 2 type of leadership are Yekita as a nation. Now we come to the EC. EC DNA the I mean, I don't understand and I mean why I catch him several. And before we did this registration, you know, the EC went out, NCCE went out, bodies went out saying say
the media was also involved.
The media was involved strongly. Say, do not do double registration. We can register now. We register bio no more yet deduplication now. It will fish you out. And meaning say Nkrofo said they are trying to outwit the system. They are trying to be smart. Want to mean twice. Want to mean to money back twice. In you know into identity now feel say one quantity say chinchin we can register twice. Now it has made you be disenfranchised. And for the next I think 5 years no you cannot register and vote anywhere. And that is where the problem starts. Because yes, NHS next registration, no, by force, try say, somebody and some be no person be shame idea. But the fingerprints and the identification will fish them out. Into ECIU Jumapa, there's a duplication. All the parties were involved. And I believe that Alhaji say EC has been working with the parties from day one. They invite them, they did duplication exercise, the registration and so every party was at the polling station. They were part of the EC IPAC and everything. They sit down, they discuss, and they've told them the trend and the processor on the fast to make sure that we have a clean, credible, and lovely register. At the end of the day, MPP are order number 1 in Kunimdi Bar, and this year, Yabemo second defeat. No, to me, Bekase, Ebia Obi Riomu, and Obia Bibibio. There almost 1 million votes. No. 1 million every district and every constituency to make sure that we grow that place, we transform that place. One district, one factory. Free senior high school. In the northern and or baby and when you say one district, one dam. Into when we say one no the kitemupi, and then shine so with number 1 on the ballot paper, no, so that everybody will believe in the one here, one there, yenche na yenyina yenya enije na yefanye adwuma no na mpuntuo kese mbra Ghana na Ghana enya ne tampa mfra.
Meda say Alfred Ebusua
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.